Want to control your iPhone completely hands-free using just your voice? Let me show you how to set up voice control in iOS 18. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe for more smart iPhone features that make life easier. Step 1. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Step 3. Now tap Voice Control. Step 4. Tap the Setup Voice Control button. Step 5. Your iPhone will now guide you through a quick intro. Once you're ready, tap Continue, then tap Done. Voice control is now active. You will see a blue microphone icon at the top of your screen. You can start using voice commands like Open Safari or Swipe left right away. You can pause voice control anytime by saying Go to sleep and wake it back up by saying Wake up. You can also go back into settings and tap Customize commands to create your own phrases for tasks you use often. And that's it. Whether you're multitasking or need full voice access, voice control gives you powerful hands-free control of your iPhone. Tap that subscribe button for more iPhone accessibility tips that put you in control.